Good morning, everyone. Today we shall discuss inductance of a three-phase line with unsymmetrical spacing but transposed. Okay, what is the meaning of transposition? Okay, transposition means exchanged at regular conductors are exchanged at regular intervals along the line so that each conductor occupies the original position of every other conductor over an equal distance. This exchange of conductor position is called transposition. Why we will do to balance in the three phase? Okay, to balance in the three phase we will do the transposition of conductors. Okay, you can observe here there are three stages. Okay, each stage L by 3 distance. Okay, I have taken as stage to understanding purpose. Okay, uh, first conductor X is position 1, conductor Y is position 2, conductor Z is in position 3. Okay, it will go on changing the positions. Okay, first we shall take only conductor X. That we need to write flux linkages for every stage, and next we need to calculate the inductance. Okay, we need to find out the inductance. First we shall do the first stage. Okay, first stage what it is, conductor X position is 1 and conductor Y position is 2 and conductor Z is position 3. You can see here figure 2 I have written inside. Okay, distance between the x and y d12, between y and z d23, between z and x d31. If go on changing the position of conductor, you need not to change the distance will be same as it is. Okay, you change the conductor positions. Okay, first position for stage 1 we shall write the flux linkage. Okay, psi x1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 open bracket ix ln 1 by r dash plus iy ln 1 divided by d12 plus iz ln 1 divided by d31 closed bracket. This is the flux linkage of x1 x at stage 1. Okay, I have considered first stage. Next stage 2. In stage 2 conductor position is changed. You can see a conductor position is changed from 1 to 2. In diagram also you need to change the positions. Okay, so that to write the distance it will be easy. Okay, change the position of conductors x y z. Okay, write the flux linkage psi x2 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 open bracket ix ln 1 by r dash plus iy ln 1 divided by d23 plus iz ln 1 divided by d12. Okay, you can see you need to write distance. Okay, I am considering the x conductor from x to z. What is the distance? d12. Okay, iz ln 1 divided by d12, iy ln 1 divided by d23. From y to x, what is the distance? d23. That is what I have written. Okay, writing the distance is also very important. Flux linkage of 3, that means stage 3. Okay, now the position of conductor is changed to 3. Okay, and what about y and z? It is changed to position 1 and 2. Okay, now write the psi x3 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 open bracket ix ln 1 divided by r dash plus iy ln 1 divided by d31 plus iz ln 1 divided by d23. You can see here from x to y what is the distance? d31. That is what I have mentioned. Next from x to z distance is 2 3. Okay, distance will be in equation, it will change, in diagram it will be same. Okay, next we need to calculate the overall flux linkage. Okay, overall we need to calculate overall flux linkage. For that, flux linkage is equal to flux linkage of stage 1 plus flux linkage of stage 2 plus flux linkage of stage 3 plus sorry stage 3 divided by 3. Okay, you will get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 open bracket 3 times of ix ln 1 by r dash plus iy common. Iy is common, so open bracket again ln 1 divided by d12 plus ln 1 divided by d23 plus ln 1 divided by d31 closed bracket plus iz is common again, open bracket ln 1 divided by d12 plus ln 1 divided by d23 plus ln 1 divided by d31 closed bracket again closed bracket. Okay, you can see here log a plus log b plus log c. What we can write? Log a b c. Okay, that is what I have written here, iy into ln 1 divided by d12 d23 d31. Again same as it is for iz also, iz into ln 1 divided by d12 d23 d31. Okay, next you take, it is common. Okay, ln 1 divided by d12 d23 d31 is common, you take the common. Okay, next you will get iy plus iz. What we can write? Ix plus iy plus iz is equal to 0 for balanced conditions. Okay, iy plus iz equal to minus ix. Substitute the value of iy plus iz in equation. We will get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 into close open bracket 3 into ix ln 1 by r dash minus ix ln 1 divided by d12 d23 d31 close bracket. Here multiply the 3. Okay, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 open bracket 3 divided by 3 you will get cancelled, ix ln 1 by r dash minus ix divided by 3 ln 1 divided by d12 d23 d31. Okay, 1 divided by 3 we can take it as, you can see here 1 by a ln b. Okay, if it is there we can take ln cube ln square root of a square root of b. Okay, that we can write here 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 open bracket ix ln 1 by r dash minus ix ln cube root, this 3 will go cube root. Okay, cube root of 1 divided by d12 d23 d31. Okay, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ix ln log a minus log b I have done here, 1 divided by r dash 1 divided by cube root of d12 d23 d31. Okay, you'll get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ix ln cube root of d12 d23 d31 divided by r dash. Okay, Lx is inductance is flux linkage divided by current. Okay, that is what I have done here. Lx is equal to, you'll get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln d equation divided by r dash. Okay, what is the d equation? Cube root of d12 d23 d31. What about r dash is equal to 0.7788 into r. Thank you.